First we need to open Lightburn software. The laser machine already connect to the computer and driver were installed correctly. Choose Text tool in left toolbar. Enter the text content you want to mark. Adjust text position. Adjust text size. You can adjust here whether to mark only the outline or fill it up. Adjust laser speed and power. Press frame to preview. Press start to mark. Set fill mode. Adjust fill parameter from here, such as fill type, line distance and angle. You can adjust fill parameter depends on your material and mark result you want. Other setting adjust from here. Since we already import COR file from Ezcad 2 file folder, these settings do not need to be adjusted unless you replace the F-theta lens.